money looking long. Oh God, oh God, I'm just trying to beat the odds. I'ma beat the odds. They say I couldn't do it, I'ma prove them wrong. I be running through it, my money looking long. Oh God, oh God.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Did my laundry. Got some teriyaki chicken. I'm just chilling over here in the back by Food for Less. Fuck it, why not? Just eating. Then I'm about to go to the hut. I fucking fell asleep. I passed out because I was hella high. Before I did this, I got hella high walking here. And I've just been chilling. Like, that's it. Like, what more can I do? So I chill and eat. Gonna be a big ass onion in there. Damn. So about the hoodie, my hoodie update. I didn't go back because I have to go tomorrow. Fuck it. It's 5:43 and that guy's gonna be closing at 6. So if I go over there now, he's gonna tell me to wait again. So if I go tomorrow, it'd be better. So fuck it, tomorrow. Yeah. I'm hella hungry. I really have ate all day. Except that cup of noodles I made. That was like about it. What I'm gonna say? I'm just living my life, guys. Vlogging, eating, outside. I got money. Got more money coming in. So like, fuck it. Why not, bro? Like, for real, for real. Sorry, guys. My bad about that. No one picks up. No one ever likes to pick up. You try blaming me right now. I think you know we can. Anyway, that's a topic I'll get into later on. I don't even feel like doing it right now. When the time is right. So, I took 2 fat blinkers. Next time I'll show when I take a blinker. Fucking yeah. Fucking play after this. Probably hop on the Xbox or something. Play with my cousin. Or I have to play the PS4. But I know I won't be able to because I know my cousin is. He will not let me play on that shit while he's there. Maybe 2 players, but I can't play by myself. Like, sit there and like actually really play. I know how his ass is. I ain't tripping. Sometimes he'll let me. Right now, he's just chilling. I could hop on Xbox for a little bit. So, here we go with that. Feel me? So, yeah. Well, I called him like 3 times. Don't give me stuff from the bottom. I want chicken from the top. I'm gonna be down. fucking give me chicken from the bottom again. That was hella oil. Man. Yeah. Like hella oil at the bottom. I mean, I get it. It's not that good anyway. But damn. Why'd you have to put hella oil? And it's chicken. I don't care. I like it. Fire. I love Chinese food. To be honest, to be like really honest, like I think I like Chinese food more than any other food. I eat Chinese, I eat Vietnamese, I eat Cambodian food, Japanese food I've ate Indian food, I've eaten Polish food, and I just eat a lot of food. You know, I see it look good, I'm gonna try it. Why not? So if y'all ever see me in public and y'all know what I like, y'all can just give me some teriyaki chicken, number 16. Hold up. Teriyaki chicken for a 16. And an orange soda or squirt. We could be friends forever. Excuse me, guys. That was actually really fucking good. Probably only because I was really fucking hungry. I'm out. Shit. Gotta be careful here. Fucking slip the ball. Like that. And it's been raining. But yeah, I'm gonna walk back to the house real quick. Fucking slipping on shit out here. I'm like, fuck. Man, I almost fell in the house today too. Hella fucking slippery. People driving. Thank you, Chinese food place. You guys are fire. I'll go back there again if I need to. But not today. Because I'm good. Don't do what I do, guys, because if cops see me, I would have had a litter fine. And since I threw it, and there's no cop here, he cannot justify that I threw it. I just happened to walk by and see it. So you gotta be. Walking back to the house. Did I put my weed away? Hold up. Yeah, put it away. The reason why I keep it in here and not on my damn battery, because it fucking smells. Actually, I've left a couple of mine, like just like underneath my pillow. So when I wake up, like I'm just gonna smoke. Nah, they started to fucking smell it. So I had to fucking get one of these fuckers and conceal it. Watch. Damn, bro, that shit smell like vanilla. As soon as you open it, but it smells like weed and vanilla mixed together. Mixed together, or some shit like that. Yeah. This new battery I got does the fucking job. Like, god damn, I ain't never had a battery this good in a minute. I don't know. It's Yokan Kudo. Yokan Kudo. I don't fucking know. Shit. This is like a off-name brand or some shit. I don't know, but it works, and I'm gonna keep it until I run out and need another one. The guy tried scamming me over there. He said $15, right? I'm like, okay, you know what, fuck. You know, I'll pay $15, why not? I mean, it looked cool. So $15.99 plus tax, like cause he taxes like $2 sometimes, like $1.50 or whatever. Motherfucker try to have me pay 23 something. I'm like, hold up, nigga, you got me tripping. He's like, the battery's $7.99. So I took back the battery because I didn't need it. That should have been included. That's a ripoff. He tried to take advantage of me because I was really high when I walked in. So I was like, fuck no, you got me tripping today. So I went back, took it back. I did not leave there without my money. So he gave me it back. I was like, okay, we're cool now. Sorry, guys. My stomach felt upset for a minute. I don't know what happened. Anyway, then I tell him, hell no, you got me tripping. I want my money back. Till the customer came in and said, okay, I'll give you your money. Finally, damn. Fuck, it's my money. That nigga had me tripping. Who was that? She was kind of cute. Then yeah. Then I left. And then the guy from the shop said, come through, I'll make you one right now. He said, give me 5 minutes. I waited 5. Then he said, I'm like, you know what, bro, I'll just come back another day. I wasn't going to go back. So I was going to go back today, but I didn't. Fuck that. I'm at the house. I'll put my hoodie on, though. I don't know that I'm lit. Hold up. Honestly, don't give a fuck who the fuck that was, nigga. Like 2 fucks given. Don't really give a shit. All I want. Fuck it. I'm back. I can't read it. I'm not trying to fall. I'm not trying to bath quick. Oh, my bad, guys. Cut.